Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on mixed numbers to improper fractions. A mixed number is one that has two parts. One part is a whole number and the other part is a simple fraction. Now I just want to give you a little note here. Sometimes a mixed number is referred to as a mixed fraction. So you can either use the term mixed number or mixed fraction. Examples. The following are examples of mixed numbers. So we have 3.5, where that's the whole number, and there's the simple fraction. 4 3/5, whole number, simple fraction, and 2 3/4, the whole number and the simple fraction. So the idea here is to change each of those three to an improper fraction. So what is an improper fraction? Well, an improper fraction is one that has a numerator that is larger than the denominator. In other words, the top part is larger than the bottom part. Now, let us see how to change each of the above mixed numbers into improper fractions. Now here are the simple rules. There are 3 of them. To change a mixed number to an improper fraction, the following 3 rules apply. The first one, multiply the denominator by the whole number. Number 2, add the numerator of the fraction to this answer. And number 3, place this number over the original denominator. So let's put those 3 rules into operation and see what happens. So we have 3.5 and we're going to change this to an improper fraction. So the first rule says multiply the denominator by the whole number. So 2 times 3. There it is there. So there's the first part, 2 times 3. The second part says add the numerator of the fraction to this answer, plus 1, because there's the numerator of the fraction, plus 1. And the third part of the rule says, so that's the second part, and the third part says place this number over the original denominator. So when we work all that out, we place it over 2, because that's the original denominator. So what's the top answer? Well, we know from our order of operations that we do multiplication first. 2 3s are 6, plus 1 is 7, 7 over 2. So there is our improper fraction. And note, the numerator is larger than the denominator. Next example, 4 3/5. 5 times 4, so it's 5 times 4, then you add the 3. There it is there, and you place that over the original denominator. 5 4s are 20, plus 3 is 23 over 5. And there's our answer. And 2 3/4, 4 2s are 8, plus 3. 4 2s are 8, plus 3. So that top part gives you 11, and you always place that section over the original denominator. So it's 11 over 4. And notice in each of those cases, the numerator is larger than the denominator, and that's what an improper fraction is. Let's do 4 more quick examples. 5 7/6. 7 times 5 plus 6. There it is there. You place that over 7. 7 5s are 35, plus 6 is 41, 41 over 7. 8 5/6, 6 8s are 48, plus 5. There it is there, over 6. So 6 8s are 48, plus 5 is 53 over 6. 9 3/8. 8 9s are 72, plus 3, all over 8. 72 plus 3 is 75, all over 8. 6 8/9. 9 times 6 plus 8. 9 times 6 plus 8. 9 6s are 54, plus 8 is 62 over 9. So it's 62 over 9. So you notice in each case, the improper fraction has the numerator, which is larger than the denominator. So this video has introduced the idea of mixed numbers. Sometimes they're called mixed fractions, and we've seen how to change these mixed numbers or mixed fractions to improper fractions, where the numerator is larger than the denominator.